A new chapter in India's naval history begins, ushering in a future defined by innovation, strength, and national pride. With the arrival of INS Udaygiri, the Indian Navy welcomes a formidable addition to its fleet, one that stands at the forefront of maritime technology and defense. This advanced frigate, delivered to the Indian Navy, marks a major leap in our nation's quest for self-reliance in defense. It is a proud example of how India is shaping its own destiny on the high seas. Udaygiri is more than a ship. It's a symbol of India's growing maritime strength and technological prowess, representing years of dedication and vision. Built by Indian engineers and shipyard workers, it stands as a testament to our homegrown expertise. Every rivet and panel reflects the skill and determination of our workforce. The ship's commissioning is a proud moment, joining a fleet that safeguards our vast coastlines and maritime interests. It is a celebration of teamwork, perseverance, and national unity. With cutting-edge technology and a sleek, powerful design, Udaygiri is ready to respond rapidly to any crisis. Its advanced systems ensure it can operate in the most challenging environments. For the sailors, it's a home and a shield, embodying the spirit of service and protection. Life aboard Udaygiri is a blend of discipline, camaraderie, and unwavering commitment to duty. Its multi-mission capability allows it to lead task forces, conduct anti-piracy patrols, and provide humanitarian aid. Udaygiri stands ready to protect, assist, and inspire wherever it sails. The journey from blueprint to warship reflects years of innovation and collaboration across Indian industry. Each stage, from design to launch, demanded precision and vision. Built at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders in Mumbai, Udaygiri involved thousands of skilled workers, each contributing their expertise to this national endeavor. And with the support of hundreds of Indian companies, the project showcases the power of collaboration and the strength of our defense industry. This achievement proves India's ability to deliver complex defense projects, setting new benchmarks for the future. As Udaygiri prepares to hoist the Indian flag, it carries the hopes, dreams, and pride of a billion people, sailing forward as a beacon of India's maritime ambitions. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The name Udaygiri carries a legacy that resonates deeply within the Indian Navy, echoing stories of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to the nation. It is a name synonymous with valor, discipline, and the proud traditions of India's maritime forces. This is only the second warship to bear the name, paying tribute to the original Leander-class INS Udaygiri, which served the nation with distinction for over 3 decades and became a symbol of steadfast service. Commissioned in 1976, the first Udaygiri played a crucial role in protecting our maritime frontiers, standing guard through both times of peace and moments of conflict, and earning the respect of all who served aboard her. The name itself, meaning Sunrise Mountain, draws inspiration from a majestic range in Andhra Pradesh, symbolizing not just strength and resilience, but also hope, renewal, and the promise of new beginnings for every generation. By reviving this storied name, the Navy forges a powerful link between past and future, passing on a rich tradition and a sense of honor from one generation to the next. The new Udaygiri inherits the indomitable spirit of its predecessor, ready to chart its own course and create new stories of bravery, leadership, and service to the nation. The original ship was more than just a vessel. It was a training ground for generations of sailors, shaping the character and skills of many who would go on to lead the Navy with distinction. Decommissioned in 2007, the first Udaygiri's legacy continues to inspire, living on in the hearts of those who served and in the new vessel that now bears its name. Today's crew are the proud custodians of this enduring tradition, drawing inspiration from the courage and dedication of those who came before them. This living connection to the past gives them a sense of purpose and the resolve to excel in every mission they undertake. Udaygiri stands as a bridge between generations, a powerful symbol of continuity, progress, and the unbroken spirit of the Indian Navy. While technology and ships may evolve, the Navy's core values, duty, honor, and courage, remain steadfast, guiding every sailor who serves under the name Udaygiri. INS Udaygiri is a flagship of Project 17A, India's ambitious program to build advanced stealth frigates. 7 ships are being constructed, 4 in Mumbai, 3 in Kolkata, boosting Indian industry and self-reliance. Project 17A builds on the success of the Shipbuilding class, India's first indigenous stealth warships. These new frigates are bigger, faster, and stealthier, with more powerful weapons and advanced sensors. A key innovation is integrated construction. Large, pre-outfitted blocks are assembled like high-tech Lego, speeding up the build and improving quality. This modern technique puts Indian shipyards on par with the world's best. Project 17A is more than just ships. It's about creating a defense manufacturing ecosystem. Hundreds of Indian companies, including many small businesses, supply critical systems and components. This drives job creation, innovation, and skill development nationwide. By mastering warship construction, India reduces dependence on foreign suppliers. Project 17A is a bold step toward Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. It proves we have the talent and capability to build our own future. Stealth is Udaygiri's greatest weapon. In the world of modern naval warfare, being unseen is often more powerful than being heavily armed. Udaygiri is designed to slip through hostile waters, gathering intelligence and striking when least expected. The ship's design makes it nearly invisible to enemy radar, sonar, and infrared sensors. Every line and angle is crafted to confuse detection systems, making it a nightmare for enemy operators trying to track it. Its hull and superstructure feature smooth, angled surfaces that deflect radar waves, shrinking its radar signature. Even from above, Udaygiri blends into the sea, making it difficult to distinguish from the ocean's surface. To the enemy, Udaygiri might appear as a tiny fishing boat, or not at all. Its silhouette is so subtle that it can vanish into the background, even in busy waters. Acoustic stealth is achieved with noise-dampening mounts and specially designed propellers, making it quiet enough to hunt submarines undetected. The ship glides through the water with minimal sound, evading sonar pings and underwater microphones. Radar-absorbent materials and paints further reduce its visibility. These coatings absorb enemy radar waves, preventing them from bouncing back and revealing the ship's position. Engine exhausts are cooled to lower the ship's heat signature, evading heat-seeking missiles. This advanced cooling system ensures that even thermal cameras struggle to spot Udaygiri. By managing radar, acoustic, and thermal signatures, Udaygiri becomes a true ghost on the water. It can operate close to enemy shores, gather intelligence, and disappear before anyone knows it was there. This stealth allows it to approach, strike, and withdraw before the enemy can react. Udaygiri's ability to vanish after an attack makes it a formidable adversary. In modern naval warfare, being hard to find is as vital as being strong. The element of surprise can turn the tide of battle, and Udaygiri is built to deliver just that. Udaygiri's stealth gives it a decisive edge in any conflict. It leads the fleet from the shadows, always ready to strike or defend at a moment's notice. It's a silent guardian, always watching, always ready. Day or night, in calm or storm, Udaygiri stands vigilant, protecting the nation's interests. The art of hiding in plain sight is what makes Udaygiri a formidable force. Its presence is felt, even when it cannot be seen. With stealth, it dominates the seas without being seen. Truly a ghost on the water, shaping the future of naval warfare. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Udaygiri's sensors are its eyes and ears, giving it unmatched situational awareness. Its ASL radar scans air and sea for hundreds of kilometers, tracking multiple targets with precision. A powerful sonar suite, bow-mounted and towed array, detects submarines lurking below. All sensor data feeds into the combat management system, fusing information for a clear battlefield picture. An advanced electronic warfare suite detects, jams, and counters enemy signals, protecting the ship from electronic threats. These systems allow Udaygiri to dominate the electronic spectrum and respond instantly to any danger. With this technology, Udaygiri is always a step ahead of the enemy. Udaygiri's arsenal makes it a floating fortress. The BrahMos supersonic cruise missile gives it long-range strike power against ships and land targets. Vertical launch systems house both BrahMos and long-range surface-to-air missiles, creating a multi-layered defense. A rapid-fire main gun and close-in weapon system protect against aircraft and incoming missiles. Advanced torpedoes and anti-submarine rockets hunt underwater threats. All weapons are integrated through the combat management system, enabling simultaneous engagements. Udaygiri can strike, defend, and hunt all at once. It's a true powerhouse of the Indian Navy. Udaygiri's propulsion is a marvel, fast, efficient, and reliable. Its combined diesel and gas Kodag system uses diesel engines for long patrols and gas turbines for high-speed sprints. The ship can surge past 30 knots, adapting to any mission. Powerful generators supply electricity for all onboard systems, from radars to life support. The engineering crew keeps this complex machinery running smoothly, ensuring the ship is always ready. Udaygiri's power and stamina let it protect India's interests across the ocean. Behind every mission's success is the dedication of its engineering team. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. INS Udaygiri is a triumph of India's self-reliance vision. Over 75% of its systems are sourced from Indian companies, involving thousands of firms nationwide. This boosts jobs, innovation, and industrial growth, especially among small and medium enterprises. Building our own warships saves foreign exchange and gives us full control over technology and upgrades. Self-reliance ensures our security and independence in defense. The success of Udaygiri inspires a new generation of engineers and innovators. Every Made in India warship is a victory for the nation. Udaygiri is a symbol of a confident, self-reliant India on the world stage. INS Udaygiri's induction marks a new era in India's maritime security. It's a statement of India's resolve to be the net security provider in the Indian Ocean region. Udaygiri's blend of stealth, sensors, and weapons protects our vast coastline and vital sea lanes. The ship will patrol, deter threats, and participate in multinational exercises, strengthening global partnerships. It stands ready for humanitarian missions, reflecting India's compassion and responsibility. Udaygiri embodies self-reliance, technological progress, and operational excellence. Its success paves the way for even more ambitious indigenous shipbuilding projects. For its crew, Udaygiri is both home and fortress. The name Sunrise Mountain signals a new dawn for India's naval power. As Udaygiri sails, it carries the pride and confidence of 1.4 billion Indians. Our seas are safe and secure. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.